This is Carmine with Carmine's Import Service. We wanted to give you an update. We are 100% operational. We are fully staffed and ready to go. Yes, we do have the no contact touchless pickup drop-off service. We have the no contact system where you can see what your car needs and approve it online while you're on the phone, separately, whatever you choose. When the car is ready, you can pay by text. Everything is advanced future here. We do everything first class. These people are amazing that work for me. We're working very hard to keep everybody on the staff. We have laid off zero people. That's thanks to our wonderful customer base, and that's thanks for the great work that the staff does. We really do have a fantastic situation. So as you can see by the parking lot behind me, you have a full parking lot because we're offering the pickup service and making it easier for customers to get the car to the shop. There's the drop box service. You can use that before hours, after hours. We've always had these services. We've just expanded them. We've expanded them because of this crisis. We've always had everything in place. We've been digital since 2011, 2010 or 11. We've just added to these services. It helps. It really does help. So approved by text. You can text approve, text pay, text view. If you don't like that, you're kind of old school. We're old school too. We can do it the old way. If you want to talk about it on the phone, you want to come in, we'll follow the CDC distance guidelines and show you what you need. We prefer that we do it over the phone. We prefer that you pull the computer up or view it on your smartphone. That's the safest way to do it, but it's your choice. Just like choosing what you want to do on your car, you choose the way you want to proceed. But either way, we're going to follow the CDC guidelines. Gloves, sanitizer, masks. We got the guys wearing the N95s when they need to. We got sanitizer stations all over the property. We've got hospital grade disinfectant all over the property. So we're doing everything we can to keep the staff going, everything we can to keep the customers' cars going. We've got a full supply line of parts. These parts vendors are unbelievable, full supply line of parts. So I encourage you to not just leave a broken car in the garage and not just leave the car, oh, I'm going to get it done in 6 months. If you want to, you could do that. Of course, that's your choice. If you're worried about how you're going to pay for stuff, we have Synchrony made some offers of 12 months, no interest. They're pushing payments out all the way. So if you want to apply for that, you can apply for that. We're very flexible. So you tell us what you need, and we'll try to accommodate you. We're here to help. These guys are amazing. Ask for Dylan, ask for Stuart. We got the technicians in here. Oh my God, they're absolutely fantastic. We got shop stewards that are absolutely fantastic. You'll see these guys out picking the cars up. We've hired more. We've got more people, and this is the Snap-on. This is the Snap-on man coming by here for the tools behind me. So he's pulling in. Looks like he's pulling in now. So the technicians can go on the mobile toy store. I like to call it the mobile toy store, so they can tool up. So we're ready for you. 515-6303. It's 336-515-6303 by text. That's 336-993-5506 by voice. Or go to carminesimport.com. I hope you stay safe. I hope your family is safe. And I hope you have a great day. God bless to everybody.